Hey all. So I'm going to show you the Quizizz Halloween escape room that I made for you. And so this applies to anyone who is maybe looking for something fun, easy to do at Halloween. Maybe you've always wanted to do an escape room and never had time to actually put it all together. So when I was a tech coach, I used to make these all the time with my teachers. So I made one and basically did like 99% of the work for you. So you can create a Halloween escape room using any Quizizz quiz you already have. So if you already have a quiz that you're going to use anyway, you're going to see in a matter of like literally 1 minute, you can turn it into a Halloween escape room. And so for those of you who have absolutely no idea what a digital escape room is, and there are all different ways to do it, this is what I mean. So your students would get something like this, where it's like an escape room and they want to ultimately move on, but they can't. All right, so I put in my name and there's a secret code for word one. Let's just say, I don't know, it's dog. And I think it's dog. Nope, that's not the right word. So you see there's 5 secret words, and if you try to move on, it won't let you escape until you get the 5 secret words. And that's basically all it is. So you give your kids a Google form and say, good luck escaping. Now, how they get the secret words is playing the actual Quizizz game. So you've probably seen there's memes that pop up, so watch. So I'm gonna get this answer right. And you see it says word 5, the 6th letter is T. So what it does is every single time you get a right answer, or pretty much every single time you get a right answer, it gives you 1 letter for one of the words. So it forces students to get answers right and maybe even play a couple times and ultimately try to figure out the following words. So that's it from a Quizizz point of view. You just assign this meme set, give them this Google form, and say, good luck escaping. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to walk you through step by step, because this is easy to do. And I said, I've done the work for you, but I still want to make sure you have success with this and hand out the right things at the right time. So at this point, you've already picked your mystery words if you're watching this video. So let's just click on the 3 one, and you're at the screen. So the first thing you want to do is grab a copy of the memes, grab a copy of the Google form, and grab a copy of the answer sheet. So you're basically going to copy the stuff I've already made so you now have access to it. So for the meme set, click here. It'll take you to whatever meme set you chose, 1, 3, or 5, and hit duplicate. And just like that, poof, it is now in your Quizizz library, just like that. And then grab a copy of the Google form. Same thing, you'll make your copy. It'll be imported into your Google Drive, and now you have the Google form, which is where the answer key is. So you see, if you click on it, it tells you it's all set up so it only goes forward if these specific words are in there. So you grab your Google form, and then you're going to grab your answer key. And so for the answer key, you can either print this out for your students or give it to them digitally. But if you give it to them digitally, keep in mind that I also put the answer key down at the bottom here, so you might want to delete that first before you send it out to them. But this is a way that they can easily put in the words as they go through the quizzes, because what's going to happen is as they're going through it, they're going to have this pulled up on their screen or printed out, and it's going to say word 1, letter 5 is W. And so they're going to fill this in little by little until they have enough letters they can figure out the mystery word. So this is their kind of sheet to help them along as they work. So now you have a copy of everything. I'm going to show you how you would assign it to your students. It's really easy. So watch. So what you're going to do is, first off, let's just say it's the day of the actual escape room. You are going to send them this, again, however you want to send it to them, digital or print, so the student has this in front of them. And then you're going to send them the Google form, and you're going to say, all right, here's your Google form, and you send it to them, again, however you send a Google form to your students so they can fill it out. And so again, you see, I like to just click on the eyeball. That's my little shortcut. And so now they have this in front of them. So this is like the escape room, and they're there, and you say, all right, this is going to be your lockbox, everyone. So no matter what you put in there, it's not going to let you move forward unless you put in these very special words of this mystery escape room. So they're going to have that, and they're going to say, all right, come on, give me the quiz. I'm ready to try to escape. And so now on your end, let me show you how you would assign the quiz. So now they have these 2 things at the ready. You would go and you'd pick any quiz you want, right? It could be something you search for or something from your library. It doesn't matter. You're going to want to hit homework mode, and here's why. Because you might be assigning a quiz that's long enough. So let's just say you have the 3 words, which means there's around 20 something letters. So if you have 20 questions, that could be great and it might work out perfectly, but if some students get some stuff wrong or a meme doesn't pop up, they might get to the end and be like, wait, I don't know, I didn't get all the memes. So by doing this in homework mode, what that allows you to do is it allows them to take the quiz, and then when they get to the end, they'd hit the button that says play again. And they can play it again, and the memes will pop up once again in case they did not get all the memes. So you can either choose a longer quiz, or you can just simply have them play it again. Both options will work. So once you choose your homework mode, the most important thing you're going to do is down here at the bottom where it says show memes. And make sure that's turned on. And since you already copied it into your set, you'll see now down here is your set of the 3 word or the 5 word, and you would hit assign. So now you did your homework mode. change any other settings you want to change. And now you have this link, and you can send it on Google Classroom or however you would send a link to your students. So now they now have the link, and you say, all right, group, here we go. You have the answer key at the ready. You have the lockbox Google form. Are you ready to try to escape? And they're like, yeah. And then you send them the link, and you say, go. Good luck to you. And once they hit the link, tell them also, because some people have this off, make sure that they have their meme setting turned on, or else they're not going to get any memes. And tell them, as soon as you play, you're going to see, you'll get some of the letters. And they start playing. Sometimes they can play together, or you can have them pair up. Again, you know your class and whatever makes the most sense. And here I am, I'm a student, and I'm playing, and it's 3 times 3, and I hit 9. And it says, word 2, the 5th letter is U. So then on my copy, I say, word 2, 5th letter is U. And then I go to the next question, right? And then I click 12 and see what my next secret letter is. It says, word 1, 9th letter is B. Okay, word 1, 9th letter is B. And little by little, you'll see they'll fill this up until they figure it out. And so this one is spiderweb. So once they get enough letters, you can tell them they can experiment and try on their form whenever they want. So here I am on their form. So let's say they think the answer is spider. You'll see it has to be in all capital letters there. I'm trying to make that clear. It's just the way Google Forms work. Anyway, they think the answer is spider. They type in spider. Nope, that's not the word. Try again. They can type any word they want. But until they type in spiderweb, watch what happens. If you've never done this before, watch when I hit the B, that message goes away. That tells them that they have the correct answer for word 1. So that's important to tell them as well as they're going through this, is how do they know they got the right answer. And once they have all 3 right, I hit next, it doesn't matter. It won't let me move on until all the answers are correct, and then you'll see it tells you that they escaped. And you'll get a response on your screen, or they can just simply show you their computer, however you want to do it, that'll let you know that they escaped. So thank you for doing this experiment with me. I told you in the beginning, I used to do this all the time with my teachers. I loved it, and I'm really, really happy to share this experience with all of you. I'm at Kyle Nemus on Twitter, so message me, comment if you have any questions or thoughts about this to make sure that I can do a better job for you next time, because I think this could be something really cool that we can continue to do for different times of the year. All right, thank you so much, and I can't wait to hear what you think.